Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Ever wonder why your Gmail emails skip your inbox and go straight to archive? It's a common and frustrating problem, but the solution is usually straightforward. The most frequent reason your emails are disappearing is due to a Gmail filter. Filters are powerful rules you create to automatically manage your incoming mail. They can do many things, like label messages, delete them, or, in this case, archive them. When a filter is set to skip the inbox, archive it, any email matching that filter's criteria will never show up in your primary inbox. Instead, it goes directly into your all mail folder. To find and fix this, you need to check your Gmail settings. On your computer, open Gmail. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner and click it. From the menu, select See All Settings. Once you are in the Settings menu, navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here, you will see a list of all the filters currently active on your account. Carefully review each one. You are looking for any filter that has skipped the inbox, archive it, checked as an action. Once you identify such a filter, you have two main options. You can either delete the entire filter if you no longer need it, or you can edit it. To edit, simply uncheck the Skip the Inbox, Archive It to box, and then click Save Changes. This action will stop new emails from being automatically archived by that specific rule. While filters are the primary cause, less common reasons might include forwarding rules set up in your settings, or even third-party applications that have permission to manage your email. Occasionally, an accidental swipe on a mobile device can also archive an email, but always start by checking those filters. They are almost always the key to solving this archiving puzzle.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.